Today we're going to be taking a look at a Dewalt kit. This comes with a bag, the Dewalt Impact 885, a battery, and a DCB107 charger. This will do 12 volt and 20 volt batteries. This impact is a really good impact if you're just getting into Dewalt. It's kind of a beginner impact, but at the same time, we use these all the time. This is not the brushless model, but it is still just as good. I've had this for years. I have about 4 of them. They are still running great. It's got really nice rubber overmold. I love how these fit in my hand. The battery slides right in the bottom just like that. Got 3 LED lights, so when you're working in the dark, it's no problem. If you need to lock out this so it does not run, you just slide this middle switch over to the middle, right in the center there. Now to go forward, you just press that. To go reverse, you flip it over, press that all the way in, and you're good to go. Very handy to have an impact. It's totally different than a drill. This will take away the stress in your arm. So when you're driving lots of screws, impacts really help with not stressing out your arm. So when you're pushing that screw in, all the force, all the torque is in here, as opposed to a drill where the drill will really use your arm when it torques up. That's why we highly recommend impact guns for doing a lot of screws. This also comes with a belt clip, which is really nice because you can clip this on your bag or on your tool belt or even on your pants, just like that. And this is reversible. You can put it on the left or the right hand side. The battery that comes with the kit is a 1.5 amp hour, 20 volt max lithium ion battery, and it slides into this charger. This charger will also mount on a wall or on a cabinet or on some plywood. So you got these 2 screw holes right here. All right guys, hope you liked the video. Keep on crushing it. We'll catch you later.